And doing a 1313 while I'm back, another banger unboxing. Today we got the 4D man, guys. 4-dimension man, guys. Man's first adventure into the incredible 4th dimension inordinately. Looks very scary. Think he turns into a killer or something. Guys, there it is. Really banger freaking movie, guys. You guys already know how it is, guys. Looks very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. It looks very cool, guys. You guys, let's freaking box it. 1959. 85 minutes. Okay, guys, got the opening. Give me the remote. You want the remote? Give him the remote. But if he gets the remote, then he's not gonna do it. Give me the remote. You want the remote? There it is. 4D man, guys. He can go through walls inordinately and indefinitely. Looks promising. I like the little wall that he's holding. Here it is, guys. The 4-dimension man. 4D man. How many Ds? 4 Ds, man, guys. Fricked up movie, guys. Scary as hell. More scarier than The Shining. More scarier than Frankenstein. I don't know. Here it is. 4-dimension man. Guys. And bye.